Sometimes you may ask yourself, is change possible? I'm here to tell you it is. You must make the choice to invest in yourself. I chose to invest in my health and wealth. It wasn't easy, but well worth it. Do you ever feel like your story isn't worth telling? Have imposter syndrome as if you're not good enough? You are. Choose to show up and invest in your dream life each day. By learning proven systems and automations, I was able to scale past 6 figures my first year, wrote 2 bestsellers, and transformed lives worldwide. Offered to speak and share my success recipe on stages nationwide. I thought I needed to have thousands of followers to achieve this success. I've now created 2 6+ figure businesses, giving me the freedom to work from anywhere, meet my dream husband, have my dream son, and live my dream life. Now working my dream job, helping other fit pros achieve 10K plus months, all from making the choice to invest and change. I'm sharing this with you to know what's possible. All of my businesses grew from social by creating conversion content. I'm pivoting again to share with you my exact proven framework to monetize your content.